Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we need to install the LAMP stack. Update your package list and install Apache, MySQL and PHP with the following command. Configure PHP settings. Open the next file and update the following lines. Create the database. Login into the MySQL database shell and create the database user, grant all privileges to this user and flush privileges. The next step is to install Composer. Run the following commands. Now navigate to your web root and create a new craft project with the next commands. During the installation, the terminal will ask you if you want to set up craft now. Type yes and provide the database details you created in step 2. Apache needs to be able to write the certain folders. Use the next command to give the permissions. Now create the virtual host file and pass the following configuration. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Now enable the site and the write module with the next comments. Now go into your web browser, use your server IP address /admin. You need just to log in. That's it, Craft CMS is installed on your server. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.